Oh my god, so Hyperallergic just posted this article about legendary women designers and started off with this legendary kettle by Marianne Brandt, which means it's time for another episode of Bauhaus. What was up with that? Marianne Brandt slay bossed and girl queened her way to the top of the very sexist Bauhaus school, becoming the director of the metal workshop. This was a huge accomplishment because for most of Bauhaus history, they shuttled women right to the textile department. And the model number MT49 teapot is one of the objects that many say is Bauhaus in a nutshell. One reason for that is that it doesn't look handmade, but it is. One reason that Bauhaus designers wanted to make things super minimal is that they thought it would be easier to mass produce, but in many ways that turned out to be more of like a theory and not actually something that was applicable. But Marianne was also known for using metal in her photography work and in making this stunning futuristic jewelry. Metal was eventually seen as the cutting edge at Bauhaus. Posing with metal showed her as the new woman, as well as the artist engineer. She also made these incredible photo montages. She influenced so much of the world of design. I wish more people knew who she was. Oh my god, so